Hi there! Ready to explore? In the cool morning, Elena stood by the river in the forest. The water danced over rocks, making a gentle splash. Birds chirped from the trees, adding a cheerful song. Elena smiled, feeling the fresh wind brush her face. At noon, Elena wore her white lab coat. She traced rivers on a colorful map in the science lab. Oh, her eyes sparkled with curiosity. The rivers twisted like ribbons, full of mystery. In the playroom, Elena pretended to be a fish. She imagined swimming upstream, giggling as she moved her arms like fins. The afternoon sun made shadows that seemed to swim with her. Her laughter filled the room. Evening came, and Elena snuggled in her bed. She thought of fish races and smiled. Her cozy room was quiet, except for the rustle of leaves outside. Elena closed her eyes and felt the warmth of her soft blanket. The night garden was magical. Elena dreamed of rivers glowing under the moon. She explored the shimmering water with wonder. Stars twinkled above, and she wondered, do fish dream of stars too? See you soon.
Thank you very much.